PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a trusted commercial furnace repair company that has been serving businesses in Kutztown, PA for more than a year. Our team of experienced technicians is equipped to handle any commercial furnace repair or maintenance needs, no matter how big or small. Call our commercial furnace repair today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Why is it important to have a functioning commercial furnace? A running commercial furnace is critical for keeping staff comfortable, conserving inventory and equipment, and assuring customer pleasure. A damaged or malfunctioning furnace can result in costly downtime, decreased production, and even safety risks. How long does a commercial furnace repair take? Repairing a commercial furnace might take anything from a few days to a few weeks, depending on the nature of the problem. What is your service area for the Kutztown, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial furnace repair service have served Kutztown, Kempton, Albany, Leonardsville, Edinburgh, Hamburg, Bern, Croomsville, New Smithville, Lyons, Dreville, Fredericksville, Topton, Mertztown, Maxatawny, Muslim Springs, Kirbyville, Evansville, Walnuttown, Pennsylvania. Where is your Kutztown, Pennsylvania commercial furnace repair service office located? We are located at 15260 Kutztown Road number 113, Kutztown, Pennsylvania 19530. Our phone number is 610-672-3053. Visit our website www.pjmachvac.com/Kutztown-Road-Kutztown-HVAC-Service.